Okay. Going in this one and out that one.
Out over there. It's easy now. You got it?
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay. Alicia, you're. Which one are you coming out, Alicia?
This one.
We're gonna go straight up this way.
Let's go. Turn around. There. You're gonna try. If you can stay stiff, it'll help. Just lay back. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh no.
Got her. Got her.
Oh, I did that with my head.
She get
I
out?
did that. She got out. Yes, she did.
Here.
Then
Coming out.
you want to get both of her legs and I don't even get in there?
We can try that. Yeah. If you just want to stand on this one. Alicia, if you want to stand up on. Does that help? If you
Use
step
this?
up, yep, step up on me. Okay, nobody touching the cube. Yeah! Got her. Cool. Okay, Bobby, your turn.
Which one do you want to go in and out of?
We can
Want to
down
go out
this
that corner? No.
one. Or you want to come in here?
You
and
can go
come
out that corner.
Yeah.
Face or backwards?
It's easier backwards.
Yeah.
Think so? It's easier backwards?
It feels more comfortable backwards.
Okay. Don't touch this cube. Johnny could walk through here if we wanted, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure you want to try and carry me out of this thing.
I was thinking if
Ryan
if,
could do it.
if you help and Neil, and then if we help him, he could go up and come through those.
Superman right through here. I don't know.
You gonna go through this one?
Should I do a
Through there?
rolling dive?
Yeah, I want to go through there.
Okay, get it.
Back up
No,
a
I need
little.
help.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
Is it going to be best to go feet
I
first
think it's going to
in?
be best
Yeah.
with me and Ryan to sit here.
I can help too.
If I can grab a hold of you.
Oh, these guys are tough. I've been on a diet.
Oh, that was me.
It's never the person, it's the helper, huh?
Yeah, I never touched it.
That's what makes it hard.
Just back that one.
It is because you can't tell
feel
the
the
other person's doing.
Okay.
Was I any help from there?
I think once they get me up, yeah.
We'll watch for the cube. So
Yeah, help us on them.
Okay, I made it.
Nice.
There we go. All right. Okay, one more. Come on.
John,
We're
yeah,
small
John.
Go
group.
ahead, John.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I don't want to
Up
do
and over,
anything.
Up in this, we haven't come this way and this way.
Well, I can do that. Let's go.
Yeah, go for it.
Here.
Let's go right there.
You want it?
There you
In
go.
here, out there.
You guys want to just pick me up and drop me in there like sack of corn or something?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know. I'm pretty.
Okay, just kind of watch.
I'm gonna watch over here.
We got you. All right. You ready?
Minnesota corn.
Girls, like, don't laugh.
I think it'd be easier to do feet first because we could catch her.
Yeah, kinda like-
and she
kinda
can
like a
almost
chair.
sit.
I can help.
She
You
can
can
almost
clear
sit on
this
us.
with their head too.
Okay. So we're gonna sit in here on Johnny and I.
Out.
Up through the top.
Okay. And then we're gonna go around.
Around. You gotta go around.
My feet.
Take your feet.
All right.
I gotta get out.
Keep in mind, you don't want too much Slam your feet because you down. don't want to hit here. You just got to be able to kind of still jump it.
That was close.
That was awesome.
I think you vibrated the ground too much.
But this is the part that hit.
Yeah, I
This
think
is
you
the part
did.
that hit.
Well, of course.
It was the bootay.
I didn't see it, but that was cool.
Yeah, that looked very cool.
It's kind of a Spider-Man move,
You
Archie.
have the camera ready.
Okay.
You gotta have the camera ready.
Camera's on.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, it's
I don't
going.
see-
Yeah, we're going. One more time.
My knee!
He touched it, he went in.
My knee.
Yeah.
Gotta try it at least 3 times. That's what lady says.
Till the steam comes out.
It's those cat-like reflexes.
A little too cat-like.
A little too cat-like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
All right,
I want to see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah, you gotta do it.
It's awesome.
Need spotters. Maybe.
I'm hoping for the
If
roll
he
and
goes
dive
into
in
it,
one and out
we
the other.
gotta grab him.
Awesome.
Oh,
I'll pull my pants a little bit. How was it going? Get the. We're out of reach.
Oh yeah, first try.